It's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, oh na na na. Don't you worry, it's all gonna work out. Heaven or hell, good or bad, this too shall pass. There's only ever right now. And don't you feel like it's just a matter of time? May I remind you, cream rises to the top, one little step at a time. You'll find if you let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life in free flow. And you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a new day. Oh, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day.
City, thank you for bringing my life into completeness. Wala na ko ilaing mas storya kundi nananako tanan nga niabot ka sa akong life sa atong kaagi sa uyab for how many years. Nabati na ko, na-feel na ko kung unsa ka maayo sa kuha. With that, na-achieve na to almost tanan na itong mga pangandoy na natay sekanan, na natay balay. Dili na ako na ma-achieve without your presence and care. Salamat sa love nga mag-show sa kuha, love nga unconditionally. And now, this is the final stage of my life to be your husband. I know lisod siya na part because nanay boundary. Dili na ako makapang-chicks. Pero anyway, wala na ako gimahayan ng tanan, kaya ikaw man ang ipili na akong nga babae sa akong kinabuhi.
Clifford, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kaboboton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diha sa paghigugma ug pag-alagad sa imong asawa?
Oo, Father.
Hi, sweetie. Thank you for being there since day one. I am very thankful that we had each other when no one will believe in us when we had nothing. And still be here, we are together, going stronger when we have almost everything. I want you to know that I won't stop loving you. If dumating man yung time na mapagod tayo sa isa't isa, let's just break and go back kung paano tayo nag-umpisa. I know sa foundation that we all already established at sa mga hamon na magkasama nating napanalunan, we can do better together. Sorry sa times na mag-away ta, and siguro wala na rason na mag-away ta kay gihatag na sa Ginoo ang atong gipangayo, and never mind ko ang mga istorya sa umang tao. Ang importante ang kita ug ang atong maabot na anak.
Marby, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kaboboton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diha sa paghigugma ug pag-alagad sa imong bana?
Oo, Padre. I promise to be dependable, honest, and supportive, to give you comfort, respect, and room to grow. And I promise that you will always have shelter in my arms and a home in my heart. I promise to be your partner and faithful wife, and a good mother to our coming son, Cliff Ryan. And I will live out these promises to you every moment for the rest of my life.
This is the final stage nga to be your husband, so buhaton ng utanan. O isaad na ko nga makahatag ko happy ever after sa imo o sa atong mabot nga pamilya. today na nabot naman ta ni point kaslon ta dili ma-measure akong kalipay nga kaslon na ta sa altar sa Kaminyoon.
Hi, sweetie. I'm so excited na makita ka na nagpaabot na ko na mupasok pa dong sa altar sa atong Kaminyoon. And ta, dili ka mo hilak. Happy lang ta. And I love you. And I promise to always care for you, comfort you, and celebrate with you. I will be by your side through whatever life we bring and cherish the time we have together. I love you forever and always.
Wala na ko ilahin yung pangayo pa kundi ikaw lang. Wala ko ilahin yung pangayo kundi ikaw lang na makauban ako sa tibok tong kinabuhi o sa maabot tong anak. Salamat sa tanan o hinaot nga imo pa kong suportahan in the future na sa tong pamilya nga maabot. I love you.
Clifford, you may kiss your bride.